G'day, folks. Bill Hubbard, Coldwell Banker. This is a general market review for all of British Columbia. There's a couple of interesting things going on in British Columbia. First of all, the interior. The interior of British Columbia was in the first quarter of 2025 was definitely turning down. The consumer confidence was dropping fairly dramatically because of the threat of tariffs and trade wars going on in the world with the United States and the rest of the world. And so what that does is it lowers consumer confidence, and people put their moving choices on hold when they were going to buy a house because they need an extra bedroom, because kids are coming. They put that on hold. They put up with what they've got for a little while longer. So that's a good thing and a bad thing. It sort of slows the market, but it's also pent up demand. And I think that demand is going to be released at some point when people either start ignoring what's going on in the States or it actually gets better. And you see that in the stats as we've got some, like the Kootenays, their absorption is extending in above that 20% mark. And most of the areas are in that balance, a comfortable area of balanced market, including the central Okanagan / Kelowna area, which has been down for quite a while. It seems to be in a bit of a recovery. It's only 1 month. And the opposite is happening in the lower mainland, in the Fraser Valley, Vancouver area. They were kind of maintaining their own a bit, and now it looks like they're downturning, and we're probably going to see, if that downturn continues for another month or two, we're going to see prices start to inch down in that area. I think you're going to see that let up as people get used to the new world full of chaos, and those reasons to buy and sell houses don't go away. So that pent up demand, people will start jumping off the fence, and I think you're going to see those areas stabilize as well. But that remains to be seen. Overall, it's not a terrible market. It's a slightly, if you want to look for a terrible market, look at 2008, 9, 10, 11 in there. That was a pretty devastating market. We're either flat or in the lower mainland inching down, and in some areas in the interior inching up. So that's not a terrible market. That's your review for all of British Columbia for April of 2025.